On the heels of the recent release of 4 new Fulham FireHorse HotSpot constant power emergency LED drivers with Conduit, we are now also expanding our offering to include varieties without Conduit, for in-fixture use within new fixtures in the factory, or for field replacement inside existing installations. As with the Conduit varieties, this family of non-conduit constant power emergency LED drivers are available in 5-watt output, 10-watt, 15-watt, and 20-watt versions. Use the test switch to disengage the emergency battery when these are being stored or in transit prior to use to preserve battery power. Also standard is a self-diagnostic feature that tests battery health every 30 days. These are IP20 Dry and Damp location rated, cULus, and are CEC Title 20 compliant drivers. Their higher maximum ambient temp of 55 degrees Celsius make them useful for more applications. And we've added a white test button option to the prior brushed metal one so that you can match with your application's aesthetics. All 4 models enjoy relatively small form factors for the most versatile utility inside of linear and other luminaires. Various launch assets are available to support these 4 new drivers that include the online product page, the spec sheet, this lumen reference chart to select which item best meets your needs, and the PowerPoint presentation from which this video has been made. A variety of recommended applications exist, such as linears, highbays, troffers, many LED panels and more. Please contact your Fulham Regional Sales Manager or representative for more information about this exciting new line extension of the Fulham FireHorse family. When you think of emergency lighting solutions, think Fulham first and harness the horsepower